Welcome to the sixth section in this video series. In this last section, we are going to see Apache Hive. This section is divided into 5 videos. In this first video, we are going to introduce you to Apache Hive. As we have seen already, we will answer what and why, and then we will see the commands that are in Apache Hive. So what is Apache Hive? The first thing is it is known as the data warehouse in the Hadoop ecosystem. Apache Hive is used for processing structured data in Hadoop. Since it is a tabular format data, that's why it is known as structured data. Apache Hive provides an SQL type query language which is known as Hive Query Language, or in short as HQL. And there is an immense similarity between SQL and HQL. There are 2 modes in which you can perform Apache Hive operations or Apache Hive commands. The first one is local mode. When we work with the sample dataset or test dataset which is not, big in size, then it is recommended to run Hive queries in the local mode. So the smaller dataset that are run can be run in faster way instead of taking much time. The second mode is the MapReduce mode. MapReduce mode is used for executing queries faster, and generally the large or big data sets are used by this MapReduce mode in order to run queries faster. Now that we have seen what is Apache Hive, let us see why we actually use it. So the most important part is it is structured on top of HDFS. This means if you want to analyze the data that is present in HDFS, you can build a table structure on top of it, and you can simply use Apache Hive in order to run your analytical queries. The second one, as I already told, if you already know SQL, you don't need to learn HQL as a separate topic because most of the commands are similar, and apart from 1 or 2 concepts, everything is similar. When it comes to doing analysis, Hive is obviously better and easier solution as compared to Pig and MapReduce, where you have to learn a different language as an addition to the Hadoop ecosystem. It is stated by Hortonworks that they are working on the next version of Hive, which is going to be 100 times faster than the correct version. So we are all excited for that. And the last one and the most important is almost all the capabilities that MapReduce provides are supported by Apache Hive. The last point that we are going to see in this video are the commands that are supported by Apache Hive. One of the most important things about these commands is these commands are case insensitive. That means the capital case or lower cases doesn't matter. The first command that we are going to see is the create command. This command is used for creating Hive tables or views. Apart from that, it is also used for creating the databases as well. The second one is select command. Select command is probably the most used command in Hive, and this is used for extracting the content out of Hive table. It is used for printing the content of Hive table on the Hive terminal window. Update command works on the table level also and record level also. For record level, the table must be transactional table, which we are going to see in the 4th video in this section. Delete. You can delete the content present in the Hive table given the fact that Hive table must be a transactional table, again covered in the 4th video in this series. Insert command is used for inserting the content into the Hive table. Now you can insert the content from different table or as a part of select query as well. I will say where it's a keyword which is used for filtering the query output based on some condition. So let's say if you want to filter data based on condition, let's say name equal to XYZ, then you use where clause for that. Join keyword is used for performing the join operation in Apache Hive. Order by is used for sorting the output of a query based on some column, whether it's integer then smallest to largest, if it is character then A to Z. And the last one is the group by. You can group the output of a query based on some column. So now that we are familiar with Apache Hive command,